Spread that cheese out a little more. Maddie, give Benny some cheese. You guys' hands are clean, right?
Yeah. Mine's are getting messy.
Yeah,
Mine's
that's okay.
Too. It's going to get really messy.
Okay, good job. Now what's next, guys?
Broccoli.
Nice distribution of the cheese, Maddie.
Now broccoli.
Now broccoli. Broccoli. Share with your sister, honey. Nice job.
All done. We're done.
Give some to Mad.
Rating.
Nice job. Ready to cook them in the oven?
Nope. What about this?
I think they're ready to go in the oven, guys.
No, what about we forgot about the greatest thing? More cheese. Cheese.
There's no more cheese left.